Okay, afternoon. Today I tried a live video of a live trade. The voice recording didn't work, so I'm kind of just talking over this right now. So I was looking at $46, Qualcomm, QCOM, and 46 was a big number today, so I decided to go short 100 shares at 45.96. Volume was dying down, looked like the move was kind of dying off, and the market, I believed the turnaround was coming. You could see it made two pushes up towards highs, actually broke through highs, and turned right back around. So I was expecting a slight pullback, at least to the moving averages. So I was looking to go short for 100 shares right here with a target of 45.09, which were lows of the day. It's a weak stock. Market was up quite a bit today, over 1.5%, but Qualcomm was down about 2.5%. Just like yesterday, market does very well. This stock very weak. Don't know what's going on with it, but there were a lot of guys who wanted this stock to go down today. Okay, you can see earlier in the day I traded it, made a pretty good amount of money for me. It was about $100 this morning. Caught the move down. Pretty good entry. It's actually right when I got home from class, went in, but quite a bit of money this morning. It was a good day for me today. So you can see the market is starting to get a red candle for the market, and the stock right there. I just entered 45.90. Didn't believe it was going to push back up. Saw the market turning around, so just canceled the limit. Went in with a market order for 100 short, and put my stop in at 46.07, which it got to 46.06 earlier and turned right back around. So I figured that was a good stop. You can see 45.90. These guys, everybody was just jumping in, and a chance to be able to sell at 45.90. It looked like it was about to eat through somebody, and a few other people would jump in and start selling. So that's what I was looking at right there. You see the market now is starting to make a nice red candle, and stock's kind of hovering, volume's picking up, meaning a lot of people are starting to do something. So I was expecting whatever move I'm gonna make, it would probably be a pretty good move. So if you look now, you can see there's Flow. It's a trading desk. They were showing 300 shares, but they were buying a lot more. They really weren't expecting this to go down, I guess. Either that or they were covering a lot of shares. But anyway, got a good move down in the market. The market's starting to move down, bigger red candle, and we finally have an 84 print red candle for us. So volume was also picking up. So this move was looking, I was pretty confident about this move. Okay, right now we're looking at market turn right back around. Kind of flirted with the moving average, and then started pushing back towards highs. So I was kind of wondering, but I wasn't not afraid at all. You could see on the left, a bunch of green prints are coming up. People are trying to jump the ash, trying to get around these guys, but it is ridiculous. I mean, see this? It's amazing. I mean, that guy sold 14,000 shares, couldn't push his way through. But there's somebody or a group of people who are just sitting there, and when the stock gets to a price that they don't want it to go any higher, they start selling, and they will sell to anybody, and they will sell as much as, I mean, look at that, just green prints, and stock market broke the highs, and then it just turned around. So these guys got their way, and the stock started heading back down. Did that yesterday to me too. I lost quite a bit of money being on the wrong side of those guys. But you can see heading towards hopefully gonna head towards lows. Market looks like it's about to hit that moving average like I thought it would. But I mean, it just amazes me how crazy this stuff can get. I haven't been doing this long, so I'm not too used to seeing people just jump in and buy that many shares and just dominate a stock. But these large companies or trading firms, I guess if you have the capital to do it, might as well. You can actually see the market pushing lower. Looks like it's actually breaking through that moving average right there. I was kind of curious to see what would happen here. Still got a lot of green prints. People just trying to drive it back up, but these guys just are eating through all the buyers. It's just amazing. And I was on the wrong side of them yesterday, and it cost me quite a bit of money. But anyway, yeah, you can see the market broke through the moving average, and the stock started heading a little bit lower, and then popped right back up. Alright, so as soon as I saw it play off that moving average, I started to think about a stop. I figured the market would probably push back up towards highs. Man, it's nice when this works out. It's nice when you plan your trade and then you trade it, and it all goes right. It takes a lot of discipline. But anyway, I started, and you can see the market start moving back up. So I decided to move my stop down to 45.40, and I just put it. So I decided if it was going to keep going, I just wanted to take my profits. If it came to that, definitely didn't want to give much back. I was up 60 cents on the trade, so at most I'd give back 10, most be up 50, or at worst be up 50, should I say. And you can see the markets does start turning around, and so I was pretty sure I would get stopped out. Also, you can see the time in sales, it starts changing colors, alternating colors, which means usually indicates a lot of indecision. Share size, volumes also started dying down. It was also getting close to 230, which is usually when I like to stop trading. But so sure enough, the stock started pushing back up towards my stop, and market did end up pushing towards highs, and I unfortunately got stopped out. But I mean, it was a good day, good trades, up quite a bit, up my most actually so far. But anyway, yeah, have any questions, just send me a message.